Carry means to hold something and take it somewhere. Example: Ali carries his school bag every morning. Whisper means to speak very softly. Example: Sa whispered a secret to her best friend. Dig means to make a hole in the ground. Example: The dog is digging to find his bone. Repair means to fix something that is broken. Example: The mechanic is repairing my bicycle. Wink means to close and open one eye quickly. Example: She winked to show she was joking. Homework is schoolwork done at home. Example: I must finish my homework before playing. Knit means to make fabric using yarn and needles. Example: My grandma knits warm sweaters for winter. Pull means to bring something closer. Example: Pull the door to open it. Itch means to feel like scratching something. Example: Mosquito bites make my skin itch. Kick means to hit something with your foot. Example: He kicked the ball into the goal. Draw means to make pictures with a pen or pencil. Example: She loves to draw animals. Dizzy means to feel like everything is moving. Example: After spinning, I felt dizzy. Catch means to grab something in the air. Example: He caught the ball with one hand. Pick means to choose or take something from a place. Example: I picked a red apple from the tree. Throw means to send something through the air with your hand. Example: He threw the ball into the basket. Hug means to hold someone close with love. Example: She hugged her mom tightly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.